Welcome to the Capital CFDs training tutorial on how to place an order to buy the Aussie 200 index CFD above the current price with a stop and profit taking order. Now normally what we've been doing is placing an order via the trade button, but in this case we're not going to trade at market, which is what this enables you to do here, which is to place an order at market and add a stop and limit order. No, in this case what we're going to do is we're going to use the order ticket button, which brings up this order ticket here, which as you can see, a new order, and the current price on the Aussie 200 is at 4210. Now we're going to place an order if in this particular trade, the Aussie 200 index CFD, it rises to a certain level. In this case, we'll look if it goes above 4221, we want to buy one index CFD. And as mentioned, we're going to place a stop and a limit order in this particular case. So in this case, what I'm going to do, if it goes to 4221, I'm going to place my stop at 4199, and I hit the tab key, and that tells me that that's 22 points away. 21 to 99 is 22 points away. Now my profit taking order, I probably would like to take a profits on this if the market actually rises to 42, let's say 65. In this case, that's 44 points away, or 44 points above the market. So my stop is approximately double what my stop loss is. My profit taking order at 4265 is a 44 point profit if I get that, and the stop would be 22 points away. So that's a good risk reward ratio there. Once I've got those parameters set, I'm all good to go. I just click on the submit button, and then it tells me here's my order, buy one of these, and it's good till cancelled. Stop is at 4199, my limit is at 4265, and it's been successfully created. Now keep in mind you'll get an email confirmation with all the changes, amendments and new orders that you place in the system, so always check your email, make sure you've got all those details set in place. I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to pop over to the order book to view that order. So at the moment it says buy the Aussie 200 index CFD, and it's got my level at 4221. The current level is 4215. So what will happen if the market actually rises to 4221, it'll place my order, this order will be removed, and my new open position will pop in here. And then in my order book, my stop and limit order will be placed there. Now let's say, for example, I wanted to change this. Amending the order is very straightforward as well. You'll see the amend button over on the right hand side here. Simply left click on amend, and you'll see the whole details of that particular order are now back up on the screen. I can then adjust all my stops, my profit taking order, or I could adjust the level of my entry order down or up accordingly. So I'm just going to leave that, so I'm just going to cancel that for now. But let's say now that I don't want to place that order and I wish to cancel it. Once again, very straightforward. No orders have been transacted at this point in time. Pop over to the right hand side, click on cancel, and it says cancel this order to buy one Aussie index CFD at this price. Yes or no, pretty much. Submit. That order has been successfully cancelled. Once again, check your emails. You'll always get an email confirmation, but that order has now been cancelled from the system, and I have no working orders. So that's how you place an order using the order ticket when you want to buy above the market, and you can also reverse that to short sell if the market falls in value as well. And you can also do the reverse with buying below the market using a limit order as the first part of that particular order ticket. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.